Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Bitly quick tip step by step clearly. To get started with Bitly, open your web browser and go to bitly.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Choose to sign up using your email address, Google account, or GitHub account. Once you're logged in, look for the create button usually found at the top right corner. Click on create to open the link shortener tool. In the provided field, paste the URL you want to shorten. After pasting, you'll see a preview of the shortened link. Enter your desired custom text, if available, and check its availability. Once you're satisfied with the link, click the Create button to finalize. Your new shortened link will appear, and you can copy it using the Copy button. If you need to track your link's performance, go to the Links section in your Bitly dashboard. Here, you can see how many clicks your link has received. You can also edit or delete your links if necessary by selecting the link from your list. Explore additional features such as QR code generation and link shortening for better engagement. With Bitly, sharing links becomes fast and efficient, enhancing your online presence. Always remember to test your shortened links before sharing them widely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.